The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Amazing Explorers Academy. STEAM education in a preschool setting, creating 21st century learners. That's what you'll find at Amazing Explorers Academy. Deesha Mallette is here to tell us more. And Deesha, my first question is, what makes y'all different?
What makes us different is we really have true STEAM curriculum at our schools. Everyone else says, oh, we have STEAM curriculum. Ours is very immersive, hands-on, allowing kids to be critical thinkers.
How did AEA come about? It actually started with two brothers, right?
Yes, it did start with two brothers that had an amazing idea to bring real STEAM education to preschoolers, and not only preschoolers, but for infants all the way up.
How can families or businesses get involved with y'all?
We are always trying to be a part of the community. So, you know, we have what we call our enrollment coordinators that go out into the community, and they always try to partner with businesses where we're located. We encourage people to come see what we're all about. You know, we want to be a part of the community and get involved in anything that goes on.
Talk to me a little bit more, if you wouldn't mind, about the STEAM-based approach, because as you said, that's really the driver. That's the thing that leads you forward every single day, and how it looks on kind of a day-to-day approach.
STEAM-based curriculum, we use a lot of natural-based supplies, products. One of our big STEAM curriculum activities that we use are like, we make molds out of the human brain, and the kids get to participate and kind of see what the human brain looks like. We did a Jello balls, like ping pong balls. So it kind of shows the kids white blood cells and red blood cells. So that's kind of how we take our approach to learning. We make it fun, but still educational.
So how does the school communicate with parents and kind of keep them involved in their child's learning journey? Because there's so much fun stuff going on here.
AEA has its own app. We created our own app. There's a timeline. And on the timeline is where the teachers post pictures, they post updates of the child's day, if they're infants to toddlers, their bottles, diapers. We have several layers of security to our facility. Once you enroll with us, we do provide you with a code to get into the lobby of the building. You pull up your app, there's a QR code, that's what you sign in on the kiosk, and it unlocks the door for you. No one else should have access to your kid unless you have authorized us to do so.
Sounds like a really fascinating place and one that's super family oriented. Deesha, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Book a tour and learn more about enrolling your child right now at aexplorer.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Amazing Explorers Academy.